If you want to customize the sidebar apps on POCO F7, then first of all, we need to open the sidebar. And then over here, if you scroll all the way down, you should be able to find this plus button. So we're gonna tap over here. And then we can add apps of our choice. We can add up to 10 apps on the left side. So we can keep tapping on everything that should be included on this list. And once you add 10 apps, of course, you cannot add more than that. So let's say I'm gonna add these apps over here, and that's it. So of course, if you want to remove something, you can tap on the app on the left side. If you press done, you will save it. And even if you add just 10 apps, if you scroll further down, as you can see, we have some more apps. And unfortunately, we cannot really turn this off. These are some suggestions that are there without the option to turn them off, unfortunately. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.